Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to do a Louisiana shrimp boil. You're going to need salt, cayenne pepper, garlic, an onion, some bay leaves, some dried thyme, 1 lemon, sausage of your choice. I prefer to use andouille, but I have kielbasa today. Corn, some new potatoes, and of course, some nice, beautiful, fresh head-on shrimp. For complete ingredients and measurements, check the description below. What I have here is about 24 cups of water in a pot that has plenty of space to put all these other things into. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my soaking liquid. I dumped some dried thyme, my salt, my cayenne, about 5 bay leaves. And then for the lemon, roll it a little bit to release the juices. I'm gonna cut that in half. Squeeze the whole thing into there, seeds and all, doesn't matter. And then drop the whole thing in there. The whole lemon can go in there. Same thing with the garlic. I'm gonna do 6 smashed cloves. They don't need to be peeled because all of this is gonna get drained anyway, and you're gonna peel the shrimp with your hands. It's just gonna release the flavors into the pot. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the onion. And then that's just a rough chop. Boom, boom. You don't even really need to stir it because it's already boiling. And then the rest is just about timing. I have about a pound of small new potatoes. I'm gonna drop these in here and I'm gonna let that go for 5 minutes. Okay, so for the corn, I'm gonna break these off into smaller pieces. Come on, corn. Okay, I'm gonna drop my corn in there, and my sausage, I'm just gonna cut into kind of bigger chunks. This is actually kielbasa, because every store I went to, the andouille sausage was sold out for some reason. All right, I'm gonna let this boil for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna take my shrimp. I'm actually just gonna put the shrimp straight into the boil without any flame. I'm just gonna let these steep in this spicy, delicious broth, depending on the size of your shrimp, for about 5 to 7 minutes. These are kind of bigger. I'm gonna go 7 minutes. And when you do these, it's really important, especially with the shrimp part. It's okay if the potatoes or the sausage get a little overcooked, that's not a big deal, but it's really important that you don't overcook your shrimp, which is why I turn the flame off, and I'm actually I'm watching the clock. I'm at exactly 7 minutes. These will be done, and I'm gonna drain them right away so that they don't overcook, because it would be a crime to turn these shrimp into mush. Okay, it's been 7 minutes, and I'm gonna strain these real quick. Whew, you are beautiful. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This is a lot of food. This smell brings me back to my childhood in the spring and summer, sitting in the backyard in my shorts, eating whatever it was that my parents caught in their trawl net that day. I don't take any of that for granted. I would urge you, if you're gonna do this, to make sure you use fresh head-on shrimp. It's gonna have more flavor. That freshness is really the most important part of that. And then, come back. Oh my God. All right, I'm trying to simulate something here, but there it is. Come back. Let's try one. Still hot. Look at all the fat in the head. Whew. You are beautiful. It's hot. Pull the head off. Pluck the little legs out. Pinch the tail. You can run a knife to devein. These are actually pretty clean. If you wanted to, you could serve this with cocktail sauce or melted butter. The cooking liquid has so much seasoning, you really don't need anything. Bon appetit.